I have a GE Advantium oven, the turntable does not turn. I have tried several times just using the cooking time feature and the turntable just moves a little. Any suggestions?
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. If the turntable isn't moving, then either the turntable motor itself has stripped out and failed, the coupler that connects the turntable motor to the turntable tray itself is stripped, or your display control board has failed. You'll need to uninstall the microwave and remove the bottom panel. Remove the turntable motor and turn the microwave on for 15 seconds to see if the turntable motor is still moving. If so, replace the coupler. If it's not moving, then you need to test power to the turntable motor. If you have 120 volts and it's not moving, replace the turntable motor itself. If you don't have 120 volts, you need a new display relay control board because it has failed. To test for 120 volts, you'd need a multimeter, of course, so if that's not something you can get a hold of, just replace the turntable motor, as it's by far the most likely part to fail and cause this problem. Please remember that when you are asked to give a rating, you are rating my service and not this website itself or the problem of your appliance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.